What can I say? I'm awesome like that. There we go. Hello everyone, Sats here, how you guys doing? Okay, carrying on with Chainsaw Man, and yeah, he got kind of helped by the Katana Devil. And we saw Makima's abilities, so that is some visually visceral and stupidly broken. I like that one of the characters actually complained about that in the show. Because, yeah, seriously, but there should be some restrictions, apart from the fact that she needs to kill someone to make it work. If it's like the Death Note that, oh, she needs to know the guy's name and face, that's stupid broken. But again, she actually met any of those guys. Seriously, that ability of hers. Alright. And Kabeni, yeah, she's kind of redeeming herself with her acrobatics, and okay, she's kind of badass, even though she's a huge coward. Arai's dead though, and so is Himeno, probably. Yeah, I'll probably be, going through that this episode. Well, we'll see. Alright, here we go. Hospital. Someone's being sold to, probably. Yeah, just wondering how are you going to explain that to the doctors? Like, this guy's selling up is still alive. Oh no, yeah, Aki. He also got roughed up, so he's the one in the hospital. And Denji's in one piece. Somehow. Okay. Yeah, Denji disappeared from the last episode. Was she there at all? Shh! Inside voice. Oh. That's why she's young. Still. Inside voice. Both of you. You guys starting to rest. The doctor should come and kick these guys out. Always squabbling like siblings. Yeah, seriously, like siblings. Oh yeah, your division's been wrecked. Yeah, they need to go on a recruiting drive. They lost a lot of people. And a lot of people quit. Yeah, he did have a crush. And his crush is dead. Probably. I'm gonna keep saying probably. Then I guess she probably is. Oh no, wait. It's not him that had a crush. It was her that had a crush on him. Alright. Still, she's dead. Is that allowed? It's a hospital, I know, but still. Okay, this is... Okay. You promised that you wouldn't die, yet you have only 2 years left. Anyway. And you skipped the apple for a cigarette. Okay, you are not thinking about your health. Yeah, she's gone. I thought you were just there the whole time. He just came back for his manga. Now you're thinking of her too, so are you also going to react? Nah, I guess not. Well, you knew him most of your life. You only met her. I know the fandom will. The way she groomed you, you blow your eyes out. Okay, 3 days, that's generous. When have you ever? Well, at least he has people who are actually going to be there to support him. There you go. Even though they also don't want to stick around. Oh, he doesn't even know. Yeah. Yeah, he doesn't know them. And he just wants to. Yeah. Okay, so we had the training arc. Let's go. Is he? I think the old guy that was featured in one of the flashbacks. I didn't thought he was dead. I mean, he was a flashback. Guess he's alive. And he's mourning. Big question. Okay. Okay. Yeah, they're on defense either way. Really? How? I agree. Alright, personal space though. I need to be informed about his likes and fancy vices. I think he just killed them. Yeah. Well, 2 chokeholds for one. And I think he's out. Yeah, so she did. Okay, did it. Hey, not yet. Yeah. Okay, so he literally really did break their necks. And now they're up again. Yeah, actually did happen last episode. Sounds like he has a death wish. He wants these guys to try killing him. Again, I agree. Alright! Training's beginning. Okay, he's not playing around. Damn. That's a knife. And power, your turn. Yeah, he is definitely not playing around. Okay, now he's comparing them to toys. Yeah. Yeah, definitely wants to play with them. Alright, someone's gonna come by and all this blood needs to be explained somehow. Oh yeah, what's Khan? What's the fox spirit he had? Or maybe he got killed. He only has 2 years left, apparently. He still wants to kill the gun, though. Yeah. Okay, so there's more crazy, there are even crazier guys coming up. Right then. And who is here? What? Who is it? Ah, the enemy was on that. So, have you been killing them all day? Yeah, he has been killing them all day. Tell me at least one of you got a shot in. Okay, ow. Danger, the hell! Oh, less man would be dead. Well, he worked. Yeah, seriously! How many times did you do that? You actually counted. Wow, okay. So, probably more. Yeah, probably more. Yeah, he's the strongest devil hunter. That proclaimed. That's probably true. Wait, how did you guys get here? You have to walk all the way back? And yeah, he did want them as toys. I mean, that's what you should have been doing from the start, but okay. But you don't have intellect between you, though. I doubt you can count to 100. Okay, he's wearing glasses. And so is he. Alright, that doesn't make you smarter, though. Okay, he actually does that. Okay, they actually plan stuff. And he's still dodging them, though. Whoa! Yeah, glasses didn't help. Probably ruined your vision. Yeah. Ow! Right in the jaw. So that should have knocked him out, actually. Well, at least they got that lesson true. Use your brains. Okay, so that's why she's been quiet. Oh, she used up her blood. Okay, at least that's it for today. Lucky. Then you can rest up and try again tomorrow. She needs blood, though. Oh, yes, I still killed you. Yeah, okay, new lesson. Although. Okay, this is making me nervous. What devil do they have down here? You have to kind of have to go all the way down there. Yeah, who was that yesterday? Oh. Yeah, she didn't get it. Yeah, I remember even though getting dissed by her old teammates, family and friends when they die. So now he's getting the treatment. At least she's not hitting him. Okay, so she's been writing and asking about her dad. And she mentioned Aki. And she wants him to quit. Because she wants him to live. And she has a crush on him. Okay, so this is Devil Prison. The future devil. Who on who? Wow, okay, it's acting for a lot. Yeah, the closing of the door makes me nervous. Okay, just a floating eye. Nothing too hideous. Okay, I know what happened, but okay, that's the show. Yeah, morning episode, because this kind of confirms, yeah, Himeno's gone. I won't say dead, but it's not like she got killed. She sacrificed herself to squeeze out as much as she could, and well, now she's gone. She's gone. And just how everyone's dealing with it. And now they have a new mentor who is just having fun killing them. I was surprised how well thought out their last plan was, even though it was an abject failure. And he still killed Denji anyway. Ugh. Yeah, that's gonna be a tough training arc. But they did get the whole thinking part. And yeah, I was surprised with how thoroughly they thought of that plan. You know, like I said, didn't work though. So who knows? Might actually think of something smarter next time. Which he will, of course, dodge and kill them again. Anyway. They're going through hell. That future demon, though, what powers is he going to get? Precognition, maybe? Who knows? But the price it's asking from everyone else. Well, I don't see any issue with the whole half of lifespan left, because he only has 2 years left anyway. That'll just make things way more urgent for him. I don't think he can afford to lose that many organs, though, from the other guy's deal. But, yeah, you did say he might actually get something better, but what would they ask of him? Okay. Well, yeah, like I said, they need to go on a big recruiting drive. That's probably what Makima's doing. She mentioned she wanted to strengthen the team, but I think that she just meant the whole trading thing they're doing right now, which, yeah, again, hell for them. But they do need new members on all fronts. And the sister, alright, at least she was nice about it, not like I was for her. Okay. So, they still have to go and take on the Katana Devil and avenge everyone, probably. Who knows? Let's see if that's how they're going to start. But yeah, no. Oh, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave a like. It really helps out. Any comments? I would love to hear your thoughts. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do and check out my stuff. See you guys next time. Bye.